The United States imposed long-anticipated sanctions on Turkey on Monday over Ankara's acquisition of Russian S-400 air defense systems, further complicating already strained ties between the two NATO allies. Turkey condemned the sanctions as a grave mistake and urged Washington to revise its unjust decision. It said sanctions would inevitably harm mutual relations and threatened unspecified retaliatory steps. Senior US officials said in a call with reporters that Ankara's purchase of the S-400s and its refusal to reverse its decision despite repeated pleas from Washington left the United States with no other choice. The sanctions, first reported by Reuters last week, target Turkey's top defense procurement and development body, Presidency of Defense Industries, its chairman Ismail Demir and three other employees. The measures were announced under the Countering America's Adversaries Through Sanctions Act, the first time the act has been used against a fellow member of the NATO military alliance. Turkey's lira rallied about 1% as Washington opted not to adopt broader sanctions, but analysts said the move was still likely to weigh on the Turkish economy, already in a coronavirus-induced slowdown and with double-digit inflation. Ankara acquired the Russian S-400 ground-to-air defenses in mid-2019 and says they pose no threat to NATO allies. But Washington has long threatened sanctions and last year removed Turkey from an F-35 jet program. Ignoring the advice of aides, President Donald Trump had resisted imposing penalties on Turkey until giving the green light several days ago, sources familiar with the matter said. The United States made clear to Turkey at the highest levels and on numerous occasions that its purchase of the S-400 system would endanger the security of US military technology and personnel and provide substantial funds to Russia's defense sector, US Secretary of State Mike Pompeo said.